Why gold IRAs are trending among investors right now. Gold IRAs have been gaining popularity recently, and it's not hard to see why. With all the economic uncertainty, inflation, and market ups and downs, people are looking for stability. Gold offers just that. Unlike stocks, gold doesn't lose value overnight because of a company's poor performance or a market crash. It's been a trusted store of wealth for centuries. And with a gold IRA, you can hold physical gold as part of your retirement, protecting your savings against volatility and inflation. So, if you're looking for a way to strengthen your portfolio, a gold IRA might be worth considering. Learn more about why gold is trending at the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.